Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Papercraft. I hope you all have had a wonderful Friday, are looking forward to the weekend, have been safe, and are excited about tonight's hashtag Flip Through Friday that is being hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch. So today, we are going to cover Bo Bonnie's Joyful Christmas. Now, let me start off by saying, as I have always said, and as I truly do believe and respect, I completely understand if you are an individual that does not celebrate Christmas. I completely respect that. But because we are having Christmas in July, this is the theme that I have elected to use for this month. This looks crooked. Let me straighten this up a little bit. There we go. Okay. Also, during this month, because my birthday is on July 27th, I am doing a giveaway each week this month. Our winner this week should be posted in the corner. Here are a couple of things that I want to cover again about the winner. So tonight is Friday. The winner has until next Sunday to claim their prize. If they don't claim their prize from tonight, whatever the giveaway items are that will be designated in this video will automatically go to the next person that wins whatever's in here, okay? All right, everyone, it's Friday night. We've gotten all of the preliminaries out of the way. Let me put my glasses on so I can truly see. And let's cover Bo Bonnie's Joyful Christmas. It says it has 36 pages in there. This is a 6x8 or a 6x9. Let's go ahead and get started. Oh, this is pretty. This is a really nice page. Wow, this is nice. I like this. So here's the thing about this pad too. It's single-sided, okay? This is nice. Little woodsy, fall type of woodsy sheet there. This is pretty. I like this. Let me go back and let me look at something. What I've noticed about this pad, see the top right here? So I guess this is naturally it's of another sheet. But what I notice is each page, the border top is of the former page. Just, and you know, with the exception of that little hole, we can use the border too, okay? This is pretty. Like this. Something else too. Bo Bunny has a very nice texture weight on their pages too. This is nice. Okay. This is cute. This is cute. And there's some little script on here too. I know you probably, I don't know if you can see it. Let me pull it up so you can see it. I hope you can. There's like a little script on there as well, okay? Okay. This is nice. This is very nice. Very elegant looking. Okay. Alrighty. Interesting. This is a page of musical notes. I don't know if it's coming across that way. You see it? Okay. That's cute. Now, I've said before, red is by far my favorite color. I like this. It has like the little marble effect going on with it a little bit. Just a little bit, just a tap. Same with this page. Okay. Can you tell it's got red and green dots? Looks like red, green, and black dots maybe. Okay. Oh, this is adorable. Now, I have told you all this, and you know I love the mask. I'm a foo-foo type of girl. I really am. I love this. This is beautiful to me. I don't see how it fits into Christmas, but it's beautiful. I can see it. I can see it to some degree. Is it? Yeah. I was about to say, is it a hunter green? But no, it's black. It's red and black. It's beautiful, though. Nice. Very nice. Yep. This, as you know, this puts me in the mindset of what, wintergreen? Yeah. And so then it starts back over. So it's 18 designs and 2 pages of each. I'm going to double check. Yeah. Yep. And it's of a nice weight. Y'all, you know, I ended up purchasing several of these from American Crafts when they had their I think it was one of their first vault sales. And I looked at there because I know several people had an opportunity to grab a lot of Bo Bunny pads from Ollie's for like $1.99. Well, none of the Ollie's that I went to had any Bo Bunny papers. I mean, not in terms of pad. I didn't see any pads. Now, I saw papers, individual papers, but I never saw pads. And so once I had an opportunity to snag some of these at American Crafts and OfficeSupply.com, I snagged them. So here is our Bo Bunny Joyful Christmas pad. Now, you know I'm going to cover a page kit. Here we go. Now, I got this page kit naturally from Hobby Lobby some time ago when it was on sale. It was $1.74 when I purchased it, and Hobby Lobby originally had it for $6.99. Now, I really don't recall seeing this during this last wave of sale that they had. And if they did, by all means, let me know in the comments section, but I didn't see it. But this one is called, what is this called? This is called Little Lumberjack. Now I'm gonna tell you something about this pad. This is what's in it, but I want to cover something with you about this pad. Don't let the name Little Lumberjack just throw you off, because the pages that are in here are what's important, right? Now, granted, first and foremost, here is the sticker sheet. It has that mountaineer type of vibe going on with it, but still, it has a holiday vibe, if you know, it's placed appropriately, right? And here is the lumberjack piece right there. So I honestly, I like it. I really did. That's what reason why I purchased it. Here is the ephemera, and here is a set of gingham type of sticker letters, okay? Now, I'm just going to cover it like this right quick. Here is the lumberjack sheet. It's 2 of them, as you know. Now, for me, this is a background page. Or, you can always take your hole punch. I'm not going to do that, but I'm just going to show you. You can always take your hole punch, cut that out. You see it? Cut it out. Use it for eyelet hole cover thing, or use it some kind of way. But just because it's a sheet of lumberjack wood circles doesn't necessarily mean that it just has to stay that way, right? Right. All right, so it's 2 of these. 2 of this red kind of gingham kind. This isn't gingham. I need to stop calling it that, but whatever it is. This, whatever. This check. Somebody correct me, please. Kindly correct me. But 2 sheets of this. Love it. Seems like every holiday pad page kit that I pick up is going to have this kind of wintergreen effect. This is nice. I'm pulling it up a little closer because even though you have the Christmas trees, pine trees there's like a little texture going on with it as well. I hope you can see it. Then we've got this sheet. It's 2 of these. Beautiful. Beautiful holiday. And then we've got this. Got 2 of these. Love it. I do. I love this. I really do. One of the things that's, imperative for us as crafters, we see things other people don't. Just like I said, yeah, these are lumberjacks, but you take that hole punch, cut those things out, there's something else. Now, I'm going to cover the ephemera. is a lot simpler for me to do this like this as opposed to, you know, the little bits and pieces of it. You know, now I know it's Friday night. You guys probably have your movies that you want to watch. Time you want to spend with your family, your loved ones, hang out a little bit. So that's why I was really trying my best to make sure I got this in as quickly as possible. Or earlier, okay? So, look at here. We've got our lead. Cute ephemera. I love when I see these like little tags with these on here. Look. Let's explore. Making memories. I agree. And what does that say? Seek adventure. That's what we do. I think that's what we do when we craft. You know that? I really do. I think that when we are crafting, there's a level of mental adventure there. Everybody might not agree with me, but, you know, that's my thought. Pine cone. What's this thing called? An axe. An axe. I think this is like a deer or a moose head? Here's another leaf. This could be used on some stuff too now. Oh, look. Look. This is cute. This is so cute. The tree. Tree. Wild and free. Campsite. Tent. Hiking boots. This is adventure. Here's another log. I think those are bear paws up there. This says for nature. I guess these are the mountains, but it's kind of like in the shape of a bear. Explore outdoors. And then here are the frames. That's one. Here's another. And then here's like this log frame. Personally, I adore them. I do. When I purchased these from Hobby Lobby, I didn't just purchase them because they were on sale. I purchased them because I saw the possibility. And I think it's gorgeous. Hold on a second. 1 minute. I want to get everything back in its pack. But I do. I like this a lot. I really do. Let me figure out how to get it back in there. How about that? And the papers are still phenomenal, okay? Now, you guys know for a fact that the Bow Bunny pad and this page kit are giveaway items. But I got something else to show you too. Wait just a minute. I want to get it back in here. I don't want this to be long today because I know you guys have stuff you want to do. And no, nobody said anything to me, but I'm just saying, I know it's Friday. You want to enjoy your evening. So, this particular giveaway, what did I do with the pad? Okay, my goodness. All right, so for this particular giveaway pack, it's going to be this pad, this pack, and Color Box Holiday Pad. Now, it's 25 unique designs. It's 50 sheets. I'm going to cover each one of them with you. Now, you know if it says holidays, that means it's not just Christmas. It means the holidays, right? All right, we're going to start off with Happy New Year. 2 sheets of Happy New Year. I'm assuming this is some Happy New Yearism. Valentine's Day. Oh, this is cute. St. Patrick's Day. I used to be tearing up the ground when I was in school trying to find myself a 4-leaf clover. I'm kidding you not, I really did. Okay, these are some peeps. I know everybody doesn't celebrate Easter, but still it's in this package, okay? It's in this pad. Oh, these are cute. These are adorable. These could be used for Christmas too. Oh, Mother's Day. Very nice tulips. Father's Day. Isn't it amazing that when it's Father's Day, they always, almost always have wood and something else associated with it. 4th of July. 4th of July, Star Spangled Banner. I guess this is just beach time, summer. Just summer. I like this because you know what? This is like a 2-in-1 in my mind, okay? Look at that. I'm going to say fall harvest, maybe because of this. Maybe fall harvest. Back to school. Back to school. Let me make sure there's nothing else. Okay, yeah. Back to school. Oh, yeah, this is harvest time. I always associate the apples with harvest time. Halloween, only because I see the spider sitting there. Halloween. I don't really do a lot of crafting with Halloween, but I do understand the excitement for, you know, children. Fall. Isn't that pretty? There's something about fall leaves. We all hate when, you know, they're all over our yard. but the beauty of them is still there, right? Oh, look. So adorable. Look at this. That poinsettia. There really is nothing like a beautiful poinsettia during the holidays. Now, that's just to me, okay? Look at these pretty colors. This is cute. Really, really cute. Look. This is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Wow. This is pretty. Cute. Don't necessarily just have to focus on the Santa. There's so much around that could be used, right? All right. So, this pad is going to also be in the package with this kit and this pad. Now, I'm going to say this again. In looking at it, don't just disregard the lumberjacks. You can always cut them out. You can layer them. You can back them. There's a lot that can be done with them. We are crafters. We are creative. Everyone, this is this week's hashtag Flip Through Friday, Christmas in July, Lynn's birthday giveaway package. Now, the word that we're going to use this week is red. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in to Paper Piece this evening as I cover this package, as I cover hashtag Flip Through Friday. I cannot tell you how much fun I genuinely have doing these, and I am always so excited when I read everybody's comments, when I see the number of people that have liked this, when I see the number of people that have watched this, and trust me, my heart just warms because I can only imagine the fun you're having watching it, just like I have fun filming it. Because guess what? After I finish filming, I come back and I watch my videos just so I can kind of see what everybody else is seeing as well. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Piece. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again, I'd greatly appreciate it. Most importantly, take care of yourself this weekend. And also, don't be surprised if, even though you see these items, don't be surprised if I include just a little something extra in this packet this week. Everyone, thank you for watching and take care.